Good morning. Previous class we learned about sides, edges and vertex. Now we will learn about open and closed figure. Shall we go through the video?
Hello children, meet Mr. Vijay. Today he is going to explain the concept of open and closed figures.
Children, look at these figures. They look different from each other, don't they? Some figures are made of only straight lines. The straight lines may be horizontal, vertical, or slanting. On the other hand, there are some figures that are made of only curved lines. There are also some figures made of both straight and curved lines. Now observe these figures. They have open ends, that is, their ends are not connected. Such figures are called open figures. These figures do not start and end at the same point. On the other hand, these figures start and end at the same point, so they are called closed figures. These are some examples of closed figures. Open and closed figures can be drawn using straight lines, curved lines, or a combination of both straight and curved lines. Observe these closed figures. Do you find any difference among them? In some of these figures, the curved lines are crossing each other. In the remaining figures, the curved lines do not cross each other. The closed figures that can be drawn in such a way that the lines do not cross are called simple closed figures.
Now we will go to Term 1, Book A. Open figure and closed figure. A figure that does not start and end at the same point is called open figure. Closed figure, a figure that start and end at the same point is called a closed figure. So let us try 1.2. Write O for the open figure and C for the closed figure. 1 in the box provided 1 has been done for you. So it is a closed figure. It is also closed figure. It is an open figure because it doesn't end at the same point. It is a closed figure. It is also a closed figure, but it is an open figure. It is not closed. It is also closed figure. It is also closed figure. It is an open figure. Second question. Write the simple closed figure and cross the closed ones. So it is closed ones. It is closed ones. It is a simple closed figure. It is also simple closed figures, but it is just closed ones. So we have crossed it. Third question, read the sentence, write T for the true and F for the false. A circle is a closed figure. Yes, it is true. So T. A square is an open figure. No, square is also closed figure. So false. Closed figures are made up of only curved lines. No, false. It is a closed figure. No, it is an open figure. False. It is a closed figure. Yes, true. Open figures are made of only straight lines. No, false. Fourth question, draw an open figure with 3 sides that are straight lines. Three sides that are straight lines. 5 sides that are curved lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides are curved lines. 7 sides that include straight as well as curved lines. 6 sides that includes 4 straight lines and 2 curved lines. So figure is drawn. Next, draw a closed figure with 4 sides that are straight lines. So square, 6 sides are curved lines. 8 lines that include straight as well as curved lines. Next, 5 sides that are straight lines. 6 sides that include 2 straight and 4 curved lines. So now let us go to Term 1, Book B. 1.2, Open and Closed Figure. First question, circle the closed figures and cross the open figures. So closed figure, it is a closed figure, so we have circled it. It is an open figure, so we have crossed it. Is it a closed figure? Yes, then circle it. Is it an open figure? Yes, then cross. It is an open figure. Cross. It is a closed figure. Circle. It is an open figure. Cross. It is a closed figure. Circle. It is an open figure. Cross. It is a closed figure. Circle. It is an open figure. Cross. It is a closed figure. Circle. It is also closed figure. Circle. Second question. This is a dot grid. Draw a shape using both straight and curved lines. One has been done for you. So it looks like tree. So both straight and curved lines. We have to draw a dot grid. Both straight and curved lines. Third question, count the closed and open figure in the picture. Write their numbers in the boxes. The numbers of open figures. So 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 open figures. Closed. Number of closed figures 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 closed figures. Fourth question. Write the simple closed figure. So, this is a closed figure. It is also closed figure. It is also closed figure. This is also closed figure. Simple closed figures. Now, we will learn paper folding. Shall we go through the video?
Take a rectangular sheet of paper. Fold one corner of the sheet such that it meets the opposite edge and forms a triangle. Cut off the extra rectangular portion of the sheet left after folding the sheet. Unfold the sheet. You will find that it is square-shaped now. Fold the sheet upward by lifting the bottom edge, leaving a gap of about 1 centimeter at the top. You will find that it is rectangle-shaped now. Stick the folded part of the paper along the edges. Cut a small triangle from each corner of the part left out after folding. Your envelope is ready. You can decorate it by drawing any design you like on it.
Now we will go to Term 1, Book B, 1.3, Paper Folding. First question, follow these steps and make your own paper's wheel. Try it your own, children. Second question, a paper is folded at one corner as shown here. A. How many edges and vertices does it have now? There are 7 edges and 6 vertices. How many edges and vertices will you get if you fold 2 corners? Edges 10, vertices 9. How many edges and vertices will you get if you fold 3 corners? 13 edges and vertices 12. How many edges and vertices will you get if you fold 4 corners? 16 edges and 15 vertices. Third question, take a square shaped sheet. Is it possible to hold the sheet such that it has 3 corners? You can fold the sheet only once. Yes, it is possible. If yes, name the shape you get. Triangle. We can fold it. Tangrams. The tangrams is an old Chinese puzzle. The 7 flat shapes of the puzzles are called tans. This 7 pieces set is a popular puzzle known as tangram. This is a tangram. You can see so many shapes in this. A piece of a tangram can be put together to form a different interesting shapes. So this is tangram. Let us try 1.4. How many squares are there in tangram set? 1. How many triangles are there in tangram set? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third question. Ian numbered all the pieces of tangram. He created some shapes using the pieces. Number the pieces as shown in the tangram set. One has been done for you. So, please look at the picture and identify it. I have done it for you, children. Fourth question. Try to make the given shape using the tangram pieces given at the back of your book. Cut and paste them in your notebook. Now, write the number of edges and corners of shapes formed. There are 16 edges and 16 corners. Now, we shall go through Term 1, Book B. 1.4 Tangrams. First question. The tangram puzzle pieces are numbered from 1 to 7. How many pieces are triangle in the shape? 5. How many 4-side pieces does the puzzle have? 2. Number the piece in each of these figures according to the numbering in the tangram puzzles. Now we will learn how to draw 3D shapes. Shall we go through the video?
2-dimensional figures can be drawn on a flat surface in such a way that they resemble 3-dimensional figures. For example, here is a solid cuboid. We can draw a figure resembling this cuboid on a flat surface like paper. When completed, the 2-dimensional figure resembles a solid-shaped cuboid. These figures can be drawn as an isometric sketch. We can draw shapes on an isometric dotted paper. The figures so drawn are called isometric sketches. This paper will have dots printed on it in such a way that we can draw equilateral triangles. The advantage of sketching a solid shape on an isometric paper is that the length of the edges are exactly the same as that of the solid figure. Let us draw a cuboid of length 4 units, breadth 3 units, and height 3 units. First, let us draw a rectangle of length 4 units and breadth 3 units by counting the points as shown. This rectangle forms the front face of the cuboid. Let us further draw 4 lines each of length 3 units from the corners of the rectangle as shown. A line is drawn to form the top face of the cuboid. Lines are drawn as shown to form the lateral faces of the cuboid. Draw a line to complete the cuboid. The isometric sketch of the cuboid is complete with exact measurements. Cement and a cone on an isometric dot sheet.
Open Term 1, Book A, page number 19. Let us try 1.5. First question, draw a cube on an isometric dot sheet. It is a cube. Second question, draw a cuboid of dimension of 6 units, 4 units and 3 units on isometric dot sheet. It is cuboid. Third question, draw an isometric sketch of cuboid by combining 3 cubes of sides 2 unit places sides by side. So 3 cubes with 1 cuboid. Fourth question, draw an isometric sketch of cylinder of height 5 cm. Fifth question, draw an isometric sketch of a cone. So it is a cone. Open Term 1, Book B, page number 9. Draw a cube of side 5 units of isometric dot sheet. It is a cube with the 5 units. Second question, draw a cuboid of dimension 7 units, 5 units, 4 units on an isometric dot sheet. It is a cuboid. Third question, draw an isometric sketch of cube of side 6 unit. It is a cube of 6 units. Draw an isometric sketch of cylinder of height 7 units. Cylinder of 7 units. Draw an isometric sketch of cone of height 6 unit. It is a cone of 6 units. Open Term 1, Book A, page number 21. Mental Math. First question, cross the odd figure in each set. So it is an odd figure. This is an odd figure. It is an odd figure. It is also an odd figure. It is also odd figure. Second question, match each shape in the column A with corresponding to number of faces, edges, vertices. Cone has 2 edges. Sphere has 1 curved face. Cuboid has 8 vertices. Cylinder has 2 faces. Third question, pick right the correct option. Which among this doesn't have curved face? Yes, cube doesn't have curved face. Which of this has the maximum number of vertices? Cuboid has maximum number of vertices. Which among this doesn't have any flat face? Cuboid has a flat face, but sphere doesn't have any flat face. Fourth question, fill in the blanks. A dash does not have equal edges and faces, though the opposite edges and faces are equal. Cuboid. A circle and oval have dash vertices, no vertices. A cylinder has dash face, 3 face, dash flat faces, 2 flat faces and 2 curved faces. Dash and dash have the same number of flat faces. Square and rectangle have same number of flat faces. Dash and dash doesn't have a vertex. Circle and sphere doesn't have a vertex. Fifth question. Find the missing piece of tangram and complete the shape, also the name of the shape formed. Rabbit house. Practice well. Thank you and have a nice